Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jane if you're new to the channel. Hi, welcome, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, you guys, so today I decided to do this look. I do not know what to call it. All I know, I had an idea with it. It was like a blue and purple, and going in with a Kylie holiday collection, and going in with this color right here, silver color. I guess I really don't know what to call it, but we're gonna go ahead and go with this. I have this in mind. You know, I really wanted to try it, so we're gonna do it. So if you want to know what kind of look I am talking about, then continue on watching. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I already did my eyebrows and primed the eyelids and, you know, added all of that good stuff like I always do. So the palette we'll be going in with today is the Morphe X James Charles palette. Alright, so first color we'll be going in with, of course I'll be doing that one eye on camera, the other one off. I feel like this one is going to be a long process. So that's what we are going to do. So the first colors, well, the colors we're going to be using are at the bottom. So the first color I think we're going to go in for transition color is going to be this one up here. And then from there we're going to go ahead and apply the blue on the cut crease. And then at the bottom of that we'll add some purple. Alright, so now we're going to go in with that blue color. I'm just going to add a little bit to the brush. And then I'm just going to keep packing on that blue color so we can get that color I want. Alright, that's a good enough blue. So now we're going to go into the purple. And we're just going to go ahead and apply this to right under the blue. So let me get a good brush so I can have that. That is really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get a wipey and wipe this off. I know it looks bad right now, but wait till the end. I'll go ahead and go back to that purple. I'm gonna go back in with that blue. Alright, so now we're gonna get a flat brush and do this cut crease. I don't know if I want to do a half cut crease or a full cut crease. Okay. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to get a mirror. I think I'm gonna apply some white to that. Yep, apply some white. So I'm gonna get a sponge to set that crease. So now I'm gonna go back in with that purple and that blue and then blend that out a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this white color right here. I decided not to go in with that Kylie palette. Oh, I didn't feel like it was gonna be what I wanted or maybe what I needed. Ow. Oh. That hurt. Oh yeah. Wow. So yeah, I did not go in with that Kylie palette just because I felt like that wasn't the color I exactly needed. Probably I didn't envision that well. But we're gonna go in with this white color right here. I want to add something to it, but I'm not sure. Let me go in with that Kylie palette. Let me go in. You know what? Yeah, we're going in with this one. Fuck it. So now we're gonna do some eyeliner. So eyeliner. The eyeliner we're gonna be using is the NYX Professional Epic Ink liner. Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, and I'm going in with the Clinique High Impact Mascara. I'm gonna let that dry, and we're gonna apply some lashes. Alright, so you guys, I applied that lash, and now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I finished the other eye off camera, so now we're going on to the face. So the first thing we're going in to with is primer, and we're gonna be going in with the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. Let me get a brush and spread all of this out. Okay, so now for foundation, we're going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation. So now we're going to go with an oval brush. Alright, so now I'm going to get a sponge to suck all of this. Alright, so now we're gonna go into concealer, and the concealer will be using this Clinique Beyond Perfect Foundation Plus Concealer, and I am in the color CM10. Pale. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the Tartiest Pro Glow and go in with this cream contour. So now we're gonna go in with the Airspun and to set everywhere we just apply that contour. Damn. So now I'm gonna go in with the Hoola Benefit bronzer to bronze the base. I'm gonna contour the nose. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that mascara we used earlier and apply this on the lower lashes. So next we're gonna go in with blush, and the blush we'll be using is the Morphe blush, and this is in the color Spirit. So for highlight, oh no, I'm gonna go in with this Kylie palette and go in with this shade that we used to put on the eyelid. Just do a little bit, not too much. Lips. For lips, we're going to go in with the NYX Whipped lipstick. Alright, so now for setting spray, we're going to go in with the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Mist. Setting spray, sorry. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Look at that. This is exactly what I had in mind. So you guys, anyways, moving on. So if you like this look and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below. And if you are new to this channel, once again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.